Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Hey y'all, we got some Asian blend that I got right here. I got some garlic salt with some onion powder with some red pepper flakes. Along with that, got some black pepper and some 5-spice seasoning. And this is how you could come up with your, a nice little ingredients for that Asian flair for your meats or whatever the case may be. All you have to do is get yourself a nice little jar. You could use one of your old seasoning containers and put everything in there, man. And I'm talking like whip that stuff up. And it's a good type of recipe for those of you who want to step outside the box and try something different. All right. And you can also check out this full video in the show more section below. All right. I'm telling you guys, give this here a try. You would definitely love it. You could try it on some chicken, some pork, definitely ribs, as you can see right here. But if you want to see this full video, check out the link in the show more section. This is your boy Ray Mack, and I'm coming at you with love. All right, you guys, peace, love and not hate. This your boy, and I'm out of here.